Hi and welcome to your onboarding tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to register Fincon Accounting as well as how to confirm your registration. First, some background information. After Fincon Accounting has been installed, it has to be registered to be able to use it with no restrictions. While it is technically possible to use the application without registering it, you will only be allowed unrestricted access for a certain amount of time, after which your access will be restricted until the application is registered. After registration, you are given unrestricted access for a period of 2 weeks, after which time your registration has to be confirmed. This is to allow ample time for your payment to reflect in our account. If your payment reflects in our account by the time you do your registration will be confirmed automatically as well, so the 2-week period will not apply to you. If, however, your registration is not confirmed automatically, it indicates that your payment does not yet reflect in our account. You can try confirming your registration 2 business days after we've received the proof of payment. Please note you still have a period of 2 weeks after registration to do the confirmation. Also note that the automatic confirmation only applies when you use the one-click method to register. When you register telephonically, you must do your confirmation telephonically as well. I'll show you how to do this later in the video. There are currently 2 ways of registering and confirming. The legacy method involves you contacting our office to get a registration code. This involves you phoning our support line. The new one-click method, which we greatly recommend you make use of, requires you to have internet connection and the click of one button, after which our back-end services take care of the rest. Let's dive in. So first I'm going to show you how to register with one click. Again, this is the method we suggest as it will save you time and effort. For this method, you need to make sure you have an active internet connection. Log into Fincon Accounting. If you have multiple companies created in Fincon Accounting, you need to be logged into the topmost one. Navigate to File, then Registration, and lastly to First Time Registration. Enter the name of the company in the Company Name text box. Then enter your Fincon Accounting account number in the Account Number text box. Just a note, you can find your account number on the tax invoice that we sent you. Also note, you do not need to fill in the registration number when using the one-click method. Now click the Get Registration Info button. Check that the First Time Registration Completed Successfully text box appears. Click the OK button to close the window. You're done with your registration. As you can see, this method is quick and easy. If your payment has already reflected in our account by this time, your registration was automatically confirmed during this process. You can enjoy unrestricted access to Fincon Accounting. If, however, your payment has not yet reflected, you will have to confirm your registration yourself within 2 weeks after registration. I'll show you how to do this later in the video. To check whether your registration is confirmed, go to File and click on Registration. If Confirm Registration is grayed out, your registration is already confirmed. If not, it still needs to be done. Now I'm going to show you how to register Fincon via telephone. Log into Fincon Accounting. If you have multiple companies created in Fincon Accounting, you need to be logged into the topmost one. Navigate to File, then Registration, and lastly First Time Registration. Enter the name of the company in the Company Name text box. Then phone our support line. Give the agent the name you entered in the Company Name text box as well as the serial number. The agent will then present you with an identification number. Check that this corresponds to what is reflected next to identification number on your screen. The agent will then present you with a registration number. Enter this in the registration number text box. Please note that you do not need to fill in the account number when using the telephonic method to register. Now you can click the OK button. Check that the first time registration completed successfully text box appears. Click the OK button to close the window. And that's it, you're done with your registration. If your registration is confirmed, you're all set and ready to use Fincon Accounting with unrestricted access for the rest of your license term, and don't need to watch the rest of the video. You won't be getting any related messages about your registration until about a month before it expires. If you want to know how to bring opening information across, please refer to the step related to take-on routines below this video. If you need to confirm your registration, please keep watching. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to confirm your registration. You also have two methods to confirm your registration, via one-click and telephonically. Let's start with the one-click method. Log into Fincon Accounting. If you have multiple companies created in Fincon Accounting, you need to be logged into the topmost one. Navigate to File, then Registration, and lastly to confirm registration. Click the Get Registration Info button. Check that the registration confirmation has been completed text box has appeared. Click the OK button to close the window. After you have confirmed your registration, you're set for the rest of your license term. You won't be getting any related messages about your registration until about a month before it expires. Now for the telephonic confirmation. Log into Fincon Accounting. If you have multiple companies created in Fincon Accounting, you need to be logged into the topmost one. Navigate to File, then to Registration, and lastly to confirm registration. Phone our support line. Give the agent the number reflecting next to identification number. The support agent will present you with the registration number. Enter this number in the registration number text box. Then click the OK button. Check that the registration confirmation has been completed text box appears. Click the OK button to close the window. Again, after you have confirmed your registration, you are set for the rest of your license term. You won't be getting any related messages about your registration until about a month before it expires. Thank you for watching and happy accounting!